Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share one of your uploads from the Kaltura or My Media site with other colleagues so they are able to then publish, edit or review those documents. If you have uploaded a video to your Kaltura site, you may not be able to link it directly to a KEATS page if you do not have administrative rights on that KEATS page. So in order to get it published, you might need to share it with a colleague in order for them to then have access to your presentation. The good news is you don't have to send your colleagues large video files. You simply have to upload to Kaltura and then collaborate with your colleagues, allowing them to publish or edit or review your video content. So how do we do this? Well, here is a video HAP MSc presentation that I wish to share with a colleague and give them access to it so they can upload it to their own KEATS pages. To do this, I click on the pen icon next to the video, which allows me to edit the details of this video. We've seen most of these functions before, but the one we haven't yet dealt with is the collaboration function. So this time we're going to click on the collaboration button. This takes you to a collaboration window which gives you two options. You can either change the media owner. This means you are handing over all rights to the other person. You will no longer have rights to this video. The second option is to add a collaborator. Unless you want to pass over the video to a colleague and no longer have access to it, I would recommend you choose the second option, which is Add Collaborator. By clicking on the Add Collaborator button, a small window will appear which gives you the options. The options you have are to enter the name or the King's ID number of the person you wish to collaborate with, and then selecting permissions. So I'm going to enter the surname of the member of staff I wish to share this video with. And there we have it. It's given me a choice of two, but the one I want to select is the top name. If you know the K number, you can enter that here and you'll find more specific results. You can enter as many people as you like here, whether they be academics or administrative staff. Once you've chosen the list of names or the single person, you need to select permissions. You can allow the person to be a co-editor, a co-publisher, or a co-viewer. By being a co-viewer, they will merely be able to watch your video. They'll not be able to do anything else with it. A co-editor gives them the authority to edit some of your video, for instance to add chapter markers or links within your video. A co-publisher allows them to then publish that video on a KEATS page. In this instance, I merely want to give this user co-publishing rights, so I'm going to click on co-publisher. But if you do want your colleague to either edit or view this, you can click on the other two options. Now I can click on the Add button. After a few seconds your window will update and you'll see that now underneath the media collaborators there is a list. This list contains the person I've activated with their ID number and tells me the level of their permission as a co-publisher. If I wish to edit this permission, I can click on the pen icon, it'll bring back up the window and I can change their permissions. If I wish to stop this person from being able to access this video, I can click on the cross button which will remove their permissions. So in this way, you can share one of your Kaltura uploads with any other member of staff in order to collaborate with them or to have it published for you on a KEATS page. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.